Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of AgriBuddy. Friends, in this video we will have a discussion of 70 plus memory based important questions for MCR, and it will be also useful for all the upcoming agri competitive exams. So without any delay, let's start this video. Question number first. The process of degradation of humus to release the inorganic nutrient it is known as, and the options are mineralization, humidification, horizonation and podzolization, and the correct answer is first, that is mineralization. Mineralization, it is the decomposition of chemical components in the organic matter by which the nutrient in those components are released in soluble inorganic forms that can be made available to the plant. Next question number second. Kaolin is a which type of anti-transparent? And the options are stomatal closing type, film forming type, reflecting type and growth retardant. Answer is option B, that is reflecting type. Kaolin, it is a reflecting type of anti-transparent. Anti-transparent, it is nothing but the material which is applied to the transpiring plant surface to reduce the water losses from the plant. In reflecting type of anti-transparent, the materials they reflect the radiation and they reduce the leaf temperature and vapor pressure gradient from the leaf to the atmosphere, and ultimately transpiration is reduced. The example of reflecting type of anti-transparent are kaolin as well as silite, that is diatomaceous earth product. Next question number third. National Center for Organic Farming, it is located at, and the options are Lucknow, Ghaziabad, Mumbai and Kanpur, and the correct option is option B, Ghaziabad. National Center for Organic Farming, it is located at Ghaziabad. Next question number fourth. Which chemical is used to measure soil CAC, that is cation exchange capacity, and the options are ammonium acetate, ammonium sulfate, ammonium nitrate and none of these, and the correct answer is option A, ammonium acetate. It is the chemical which is used to measure soil cation exchange capacity. Next question number fifth. Emergence of inflorescence in sugarcane, it is called as, and the options are ear, panicle, arrow and spadix, and the correct option is option C, that is arrow. The botanical name of sugarcane, it is Saccharum officinarum. The inflorescence of sugarcane, it is called as arrow, which is an open branched panicle. The stage of arrowing comes after 30 to 365 days after planting. Next question number 6. The paste which is able to damage the sound grain, it is known as, and the options are primary grain paste, secondary grain paste, both A and B and none of these, and the correct answer is option A, that is primary grain paste. They are capable to damage the sound grain. Next question number 7. The toxic substance which is present in sorghum is, and the options are gossypol, HCN, oxalic acid and erucic acid, and the correct answer is option B, HCN, that is durine. It is the toxic substance which is present in sorghum. Next question number 8. The water which is available between the field capacity and a permanent wilting point, it is known as. Options are available water, permanent wilting point, ultimate wilting point and none of these, and the correct answer is option A, available water. It is the water which is available between the field capacity, which is the upper limit, and the permanent wilting point, which is the lower limit of the available water. Next question number 9. Arachil, it is an important variety of, and the options are sorghum, pea, wheat and rice, and the correct answer is option B, that is pea. Arachil, it is an early maturing and it is an improved variety of pea. Next question number 10. The sexual reproduction is absent in which fungal order? And the options are Deuteromycota, Ascomycota, Basidiomycota, and none of these. And the correct option is option A, that is Deuteromycota. In this fungal order, the sexual reproduction is absent. Option A is the correct answer. Next question, question number 11. The removal of tail in sheep, it is called, and our options are option A, trimming, B, docking, C, both A and B, and D, it is none of these. In case of sheep, the removal of tail, it is called as docking. Question number 12. Browning of cauliflower is due to the deficiency of. The options are nitrogen, potassium, boron, and calcium. And the correct option is option C, that is boron. Due to the deficiency of boron nutrient, the browning of cauliflower takes place. Next question, question number 13. Varalakshmi, it is an interspecific variety of. And the options are option A, rice, option B, sugarcane, C, cotton, and D, maize. And the correct option is option C, that is cotton. Varalakshmi, it is an interspecific variety of cotton, and it is an interspecific hybrid between Gossypium hirsutum and Gossypium barbadans, and it was released, that is Varalakshmi, it was released from UAS Dharwad, Karnataka. Next question, question number 14. Which is the most suitable technique for oligogene transfer? The best method for the transfer of oligogene, it is backcross method. With the help of this method, we can transfer the oligogene. Next question, question number 15. Compression is nothing but the ratio of volume of the charge at the beginning of the compression stroke to that at the end of the compression stroke. And in case of diesel engine, the compression ratio is option A, 14:1 to 20:1. Moving towards next question, question number 16. The rate at which RBI takes loan from commercial bank, it is called as. The options are reverse repo rate, inverse rate, both A and B, and none of these. And the correct option is option A, reverse repo rate. The rate at which the RBI takes loan from the commercial bank, it is known as reverse repo rate. Question number 17. Which is a triple cross breed of cattle which was developed at MPKV Rahuri? Option A, Fule Arka, Fule Triveni, Khiller, and Black Bengal. And the correct option is option A, option B, Fule Triveni. It is a triple cross breed of cattle which was developed at MPKV Rahuri. Next question, question number 18. White strips on rice, it is due to. And the options are thrips, rice hispa, yellow stem borer, and the last option is white fly. White strips on rice, it is due to yellow stem borer. Option C. Next question, question number 19. What is used for the reclamation of alkali soil? Options are gypsum, lime, sodium metasilicate, and none of these. And the correct option is option A, gypsum. Gypsum, it is used for the reclamation of alkali soil. Next question, question number 20. Nitrogen percentage in vermicompost is. Options are 3%, 5%, 1.6%, and 3.5%. And the correct answer is option C, 1.6%. It is the nitrogen percentage in vermicompost. Next question, question number 21. Honeydew and sclerotinia, it is formed in which disease? And the options are red rot of sugarcane, ergot of bajra, Akiochi disease, and none of these. And the correct option is option B. In ergot of bajra, honeydew and sclerotia, it is formed in this disease. Next question, question number 22. The feed which is containing more than 18% of crude fiber, it is known as. Options are roughages, concentrates, cattle feed, and all of these. Correct option is option A, roughages. The feed which is containing more than 18% of crude fiber, it is known as roughages. Question number 23. How many times grapes in Maharashtra are pruned in a year? Options are once, twice, thrice, and none of this. And the correct option is option B, that is, in Maharashtra, grapes are pruned twice in a year. Next question, question number 24. Line which is joining places of equal wind speed, it is known as, and the answer is isotech. It is the line which is joining the places of equal wind speed, it is known as isotech. Question number 25. Name the biofertilizer which is used in sugarcane. Options are Azotobacter, Azolla, Azospirillum, and both A and B. In case of sugarcane, the biofertilizer which is used is Azotobacter. That is option A. Next question, question number 26. What is the length of revenue chain? The length of revenue chain is 33 feet. Next question, question number 27. Cereals, they are deficient in which amino acid? And the options are methionine, lysine, proline, and cysteine. Cereals, they are usually deficient in lysine amino acid, and legumes, they are deficient in methionine amino acid. Next question, question number 28. Which pest of potato attacks both in field as well as in storage? Options are potato tuber moth, white grubs, green leaf hopper, and black cutworm. And the correct option is option A. Potato tuber moth, it is the pest of potato which attacks both in field as well as in storage condition. Next, question number 29. Bhagwa, it is a variety of. Options are apple, pomegranate, grapes, and mango. And the correct option is option B, pomegranate. Bhagwa, it is a variety of pomegranate. Question number 30. The theory of acquired inheritance, it was given by. And the correct option is Lamarck. Lamarck has proposed the theory of acquired inheritance. Next question, question number 31. The Dock's method for hybrid seed production, it is used in which crop? And the options are sugar beet, maize, sorghum, and cotton. The correct option is option D, that is cotton. In case of cotton, we are using the Dock's method for hybrid seed production. Next, question number 32. Which is a highly mucilage contained and antioxidant variety of okra? Options are Parbhani Bhendi, Pusa Mahakmali, Arka Anamika, and Punjab Padmini. These all are the variety of okra, but from this variety we have to identify the highly mucilage contained and antioxidant variety of okra. And the correct option is Parbhani Bhendi. Question number 33. Foundation seed color tag is. The options are purple, blue, white, and yellow. In case of foundation seed, the color tag is yellow. Color tag varies for all the seeds. It is different for nucleus seed, breeder seed, foundation seed, certified seed. It is different for all the classes of seed. So for foundation, it was white color. Question number 34. Name the greenhouse which is constructed on pre-established side wall. Options are lean-to type greenhouse, Quonset type of greenhouse, even span type of greenhouse, and uneven span type of greenhouse. And the correct option is option A, lean-to type of greenhouse. It is constructed on pre-established side wall. Next question, question number 35. moniliform type of antenna they are present in? Options are butterflies, blister beetle, termites and blackhopper. And the correct option is option C, that is termites. In termites we can have the moniliform type of antenna. The feature of moniliform antenna, it is all the segments they are globular in shape and they form a prominent construction between the joints. And the example of moniliform type of antenna, it is termites. Next question, question number 36. Name the complete root parasite. Options are Orobanche, Striga, Cuscuta and none of these. And the correct option is option A, that is Orobanche. It is also known as broom rape. It is a complete root parasite and it is a total root parasite on the solanaceous plants like tomato, chili, brinjal, potato. And to control Orobanche, a long crop rotation with tobacco crop once in 3 years and preceded by a chili crop, it will reduce the loss due to this parasite. Next question, question number 37. Green plant leaf hopper in rice transmits which disease? And the options are rice tungro, brown spot of rice, false smut disease and blast leaf. And the correct option is option A, that is rice tungro. Green plant leaf hopper in rice transmit rice tungro disease. The vector of tungro disease, it is green leaf hopper. The rice tungro, it is a unique disease which is caused by two viruses, that is RNA virus and DNA virus. Stunting of plants and the yellowing of leaf from tip and margin, they are the two main symptoms of tungro disease of rice. Next question, question number 38. What is the main objective of grow out test? Options are to determine the viability of seeds, to determine the germination percentage, to determine the genetic purity and none of these. And the correct option is option C, to determine the genetic purity. The grow out test is done. Question number 39. Law of equimarginal utility, it is also known as. Options are law of maximum satisfaction, law of substitution, Gauss's second law, and D option is all of these. And the correct option is D, all of this. Law of equimarginal utility, it is also known as law of maximum satisfaction, law of substitution and Gauss's second law. Next question, question number 40. Meadow orcharding, it is followed in which fruit crop? And the options are mango, pineapple, guava and apple. And the correct option is guava. In this fruit crop, the meadow orcharding, it is followed. Next question, question number 41. Oil Palm Research Institute, it is located at. The options are Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The correct option is option A, Andhra Pradesh. In Andhra Pradesh, in Yellur, the Oil Palm Research Institute, it is located. Next question, question number 42. In the first spell of nationalization, how many banks were nationalized? Options are 20, 14, 10 and 5. And the correct option is option B. In the first spell of nationalization, 14 banks were nationalized. Next question, question number 43. Where was the first agricultural university established? The options are Pantanagar, Lucknow, Mumbai and none of these. The correct option is option A, that is Pantanagar, which is in Uttarakhand. In the year 1960, this first agricultural university was established. Next question, question number 44. Name the biofortified variety of pomegranate which was released by NRC Solapur. Options are HHB 299, AHB 1200, Solapur Lal and both A and B. The correct option is option C, that is Solapur Lal. It is the biofortified variety of pomegranate which was released by NRC Solapur. Next question, question number 45. Macroeconomics, it is also known as. The options are income and employment theory, price theory, both A and B, and none of these. And the correct option is option A, income and employment theory. It is the alternate name for macroeconomics, and microeconomics, it is also known as price theory. Keep in mind. Question number 46. The process of adjusting the fat and SNF of milk, it is called as. Options are homogenization, standardization, pasteurization, and all of the above. And the correct answer is option B, standardization. It is the process of adjusting the fat and solid not fat of milk. It is the standardization. Next question, question number 47. Metaldehyde, it is a. Options are rodenticide, acaricide, nematicide, and molluscicide. And the correct option is option D, that is molluscicide. It is the form. Molluscicides, they are nothing but the chemical which are used to kill the snails and slugs, and the example it is metaldehyde. Next question, question number 48. Which is the leader institution in the cooperative marketing? The examples are NAFED, EDGMARK, FCI, and none of these. And the correct option is NAFED. It is the leader institution in the cooperative marketing. Next question, question number 49. Mohs scale, it is used to determine. The options are hardness, streak, luster, and color. The correct answer is option A, hardness. Mohs scale, it is used to determine the hardness of the mineral. Question number 50. Kaisi lime, it is propagated by. Options are seed, patch budding, tea budding, and hardwood cutting. The correct option is option A, seed. The lime, Kaisi lime, it is propagated by seed. Question number 51. Gladiolus, it is propagated by, and the correct option is option C, corms. With the help of this corms, the gladiolus, it is generally propagated. Next question, question number 52. Candler, it is a variety of which fruit crop? Options are strawberry, banana, pineapple, and none of these. And the correct option is option A, that is strawberry. Strawberry is a chandler, it is the variety of strawberry. Question number 53. 3-tier of system of Panchayat Raj, it was recommended by. Options are Mohan Singh Mehta Committee, Ashok Mehta Committee, P.S. Deshmukh Committee, and Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. The correct option is option D. Balwant Rai Mehta Committee recommended the Panchayat Raj. Question number 54. The meat of calf below the age of 3 months, it is known as. The option are L, beef, chicken, and D option is none of these. The correct option is option A, L. It is the meat of calf below the age of 3 months. Question number 55. Pratisthan, it is the variety of. Options are sapota, palm, mango, and tamarind. The correct option is option D, tamarind. Pratisthan, it is a variety of tamarind. Question number 56. What is the CN ratio of organic matter? The options are the correct option is option A, 10:1. It is the CN ratio of organic matter. Question number 57. The Indian Grassland and Fodder Research Institute, it is located at. Options are Bhopal, Jhansi, Lucknow, and Puducherry. And the correct option is option B, Jhansi. In Jhansi, the Indian Grassland and Fodder Research Institute, it is located. Next question, question number 58. In SWOT analysis, W stands for. The options are worth, waste, weakness, and work. The correct option is option C, weakness. In SWOT analysis, W stands for weakness, S stands for strength, W for weakness, O for opportunities, and T for threats. Question number 59. Close ascoscarp, and the options are perithecium, clistothecium, apothecium, and ascostomata. And the correct option is option B, clistothecium. It is an example of closed ascoscarp. Option B. Question number 60. Albugo candida, it is a white rust of crucifer. They produces. Options are oospores, zoospores, basidiospores, and ascospores. And the correct option is option B, zoospores. The white rust of crucifer, they produces zoospores. Question number 61. Varroa mite, it is related to. The options are vermiculture, apiculture, sericulture, aquaculture. The correct option is option B, apiculture. It is Varroa mite. It is a pest which is related to the apiculture. Question number 62. The fruit type of pineapple is. Options are berry, synconium, sorosis, and heroiridium. The correct option is option C, sorosis. It is the fruit type of pineapple. Question number 63. Which test it is used for testing the significance of mean differences? Options are F test, Z test, T test, and K2 test. And the correct option is option C, that is T test. It is used to test the significance of mean difference. Question number 64. Solar heat treatment, it was given by. Options are Jensen, J.C. Luthra, Thomson, Anton de Barry. The correct option is option B, J.C. Luthra. He proposed or he given the term, that is solar heat treatment. Question number 64. Phycology, it is the study of. Options are fungi, algae, mycoplasma, and last option is bacteria, and the correct option is algae. Phycology, it is the study of algae. Question number 66. TSS of jelly is. Options are 65%, 68%, 70%, and 72%. And the correct option in case of TSS of jelly is option. It is the TSS of jelly, and in case of jam, the TSS, it is 68.5%. Question number 67. The biological agent which is used as a parasite in controlling the cotton bollworm. Options, and the correct option is Trichogramma chilensis. It is the biological agent which is used as a parasite in controlling the cotton bollworm. 68th question. Gneiss and slate, they are the example of. Options are metamorphic, sedimentary, igneous rock, and none of these. The correct option is metamorphic rocks. Gneiss and slate, they are the example of metamorphic rocks. Question number 69. The cow milk, it is generally richer than buffalo milk in. Options are keratin, fat, protein, and mineral. The correct option is option A, that is carotene. Cow milk, it is generally richer than buffalo milk in carotene contained. Last question, question number 70. The mating in sheep, it is called as. Options are calving, tuping, both A and B, and none of these. The correct option is option B, tuping. It is a mating in sheep, it is known as tuping. So friends, this was all about the 70 important questions, 70 memory based questions which were asked in MCR. For more such videos, stay connected with AgriBuddy. Thank you.